Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best scuba package is probably one of the most exciting ways to explore the underwater world. But with so many options, how do you choose the right one? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of scuba packages, breaking down everything you need to know to make an informed decision. Get ready to discover the perfect gear to make your next underwater adventure unforgettable. Number 5. Cressi R1BCD, Donatello, AC2 Regulator and Bag Package. This complete scuba diving package is fully assembled and tested. It arrives dive-ready, meticulously pre-assembled and quality-checked by certified experts, ensuring reliability and peace of mind. The R1BCD is lightweight and durable, made with 500 denier cordura. It features a lock-aid weight system, 3 exhaust valves, and large zippered pockets. This makes it ideal for versatile and travel-friendly diving. The AC2 Compact Regulator set includes a lightweight piston first stage and a compact second stage with a matching compact Octo. It offers dependable and easy breathing, perfect for both travel and local dives. The Donatello Dive Computer is part of a sleek 2-gauge console. It features a crisp, backlit display and offers 4 dive modes. Its lightweight design makes it perfect for travel. This package includes a GUP-G regulator bag. It's designed to protect your scuba diving regulator and dive computer. It's great for transporting your entire regulator set. What we like. This package comes fully assembled and tested, so you can dive right in. It's designed for travel, with a lightweight BCD and compact regulator. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-use setup for your next dive trip, this is a great choice. What people say. Great starter kit that just works. Fit perfectly, great mobility with it on. Reg works flawlessly. Everything about this set was amazing. All the gauges are very durable. Went diving the next weekend and I was so impressed with how well this set worked. Number 4. SMACO S401L Portable Diving Tank Kit. Introducing the SMACO S400 Diving Kit. This kit includes 2 tanks, harnesses, an air compressor, and a backpack. It's perfect for exploring the underwater world with loved ones on vacation. The SMACO 1L tank allows for up to 20 minutes of underwater exploration at depths less than 33 feet. This kit comes with a backpack, making it easy to carry on any airplane for your dream vacation. The S400 diving gear features a constant pressure air outlet for smoother breathing. It also includes an external explosion-proof valve for overpressure protection, ensuring a safer diving experience. This mini scuba tank kit is ideal for various shallow water activities. You can use it for recreational diving, treasure hunting, boat inspections, and even rapid entry rescue diving. Refilling the SMACO S400 is easy with multiple options. You can visit a local dive shop, use the 8mm refill adapter, the SMACO air compressor, or the high-pressure hand pump. What we like. This kit is compact and portable, making it easy to bring on any adventure. It includes a family and buddy kit, perfect for sharing the underwater experience. If you are looking for a convenient and shareable diving system for shallow water exploration, you should consider this. What people say. The mini tank is awesome. They work great for a small setup. Had an issue with the compressor and technical support responded fast with a solution. Number 3. Sea Elite and Hog Scuba Package. This month, we're featuring an incredible scuba package deal. It's designed to give you everything you need for your next underwater adventure, all in one convenient set. First up, the Sea Elite Scout BCD. This BCD offers integrated weight pockets for comfort and ease of use. It's perfect for divers of all levels. Next, the Hog D1X Yoke ENV Classic 2.0 Regulator Set. This regulator set ensures a smooth and reliable breathing experience. It's built to withstand the rigors of diving. Included is the Hog RecTech Octopus and Sea Elite Slimline 2 console. The Octopus provides a backup air source, and the console gives you essential dive information. They are both crucial for safety. Also included is the Mares Puck Pro Plus Dive Computer. This computer tracks your depth, time, and other vital information. It helps you monitor your dive profile. And to top it off, you'll receive a free regulator bag with your purchase. This bag will protect your regulator set during transport and storage. Don't miss out on this amazing offer. What we like. This package features a weight-integrated BCD for convenience and a reliable regulator set for safe diving. It also includes a free regulator bag to protect your gear. If you appreciate a streamlined setup with added value, this package is worth considering. What people say. The BCD seems high quality. The Stage 1 and 2 is awesome. The Stage 1 also has a swivel head which makes it easy not to have pull on your hoses. Number 2. Mares Rover R2 Regulator Octo Package. This regulator and Octo package is designed for recreational diving. It ensures a smooth and reliable breathing experience underwater, allowing you to focus on the beauty around you. The Mares Rover R2 is known for its consistent performance. It delivers air efficiently, making your dives safer and more enjoyable. You can trust it in various diving conditions. This package includes both the primary regulator and an octopus. This provides a complete and ready-to-use setup. It's everything you need for a safe and comfortable dive. The design of this regulator is user-friendly, making it suitable for divers of all experience levels. It's easy to assemble and disassemble, and requires minimal maintenance. This makes it a great choice for any diver. Mares is a trusted name in diving equipment, known for quality and innovation. This regulator package is a testament to their commitment to providing divers with reliable and high-performing gear. Choose it for your next adventure. What we like. This package offers reliable performance and is easy to use, making it suitable for divers of all levels. It is also built to last, ensuring many dives to come. If you are looking for a dependable and user-friendly regulator package, this is a great option. What people say. Everything looks intact and I can attest to the quality of Mares products. This reg set is easy to put together and very light. Breathing is effortless. Number 1. Cressi Travelight 15-pound Scuba Diving Package. This package comes fully assembled and tested by Cressi certified experts. It arrives ready to dive, meticulously pre-assembled and quality checked for your peace of mind. The BCD is ultralight and compact folding, ideal for travel. It features a lock-aid weight system, multiple D-rings, and zippered pockets, making it perfect for any dive trip. This lightweight regulator set ensures smooth and reliable breathing. It's perfect for both travel and local diving, providing consistent performance in various conditions. The dive computer features a sleek design with a crisp, backlit display. It offers multiple dive modes and is lightweight, making it a great companion for your underwater adventures. This bag is designed to protect your scuba diving regulator and dive computer. It's great for transporting your reg set, ensuring everything arrives safely at your destination. What we like. This package is designed for travel, with an ultralight and compact BCD. It also features a compact regulator for easy packing. If you like to travel light and want a convenient dive setup, this package is perfect for you. What people say. The BCD is comfortable and easy to get into and out of. I like the integrated weights pockets. It's compact and has plenty of pockets and D-rings. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.